Awesome 3D hologram projector, and you can watch without glasses. Stay tuned to see how to make this cool gadget. Okay, Hacktubers, for making this hologram generator you will need plastic CD case, and we're gonna use the transparent piece. You can download free template at description below. And be careful when you cut the pieces with razor blade not to make scratches like I made. Also, when you break the plastic, be extra careful. You will need to make 4 identical pyramid pieces, and with sandpaper smooth the edges. Before gluing the pieces with electrical tape, you make the form of pyramid. Take the strongest super glue and on edges of pyramid put 1 drop of glue on each corner of pyramid. Leave it to dry for about 5 minutes, remove the electrical tape pieces, and at description below I will put links of hologram videos that you can use to project to this tiny 3D hologram generator. When I built this for the first time, I don't expect something cool, but when I found some awesome 3D videos, my opinion for this projector has changed. I love this tiny projector, and I guess that you Hacktubers will be surprised. Thanks for watching, subscribe and visit my other video projects.